got outdoor furniture here that looks like crap. I tried painting it the year before. It held up for, I think, 2 years. 2 years it held up when I painted it with an outdoor paint, which is crazy, right? So I painted the top, it lasted, it looks okay. And then there was pillows over here that went over that. But anyways, here's what we're doing. Resurfacing or refacing. Went to the fabric store. I got about 90 bucks in material. And what I'm doing, I was gonna make pillowcases for these. That's what it's gonna look like on the outside. I was gonna make pillowcases and slide them over these, and that would have been great, but because it's sold by 54 inches, it didn't wrap all the way around. So I'm doing this method, folding it. If you could wrap presents around a Christmas tree, you could probably get nice folds. Try to keep your folds the same on the ends. And then the back end, this is what I got going on there. I actually like this fold better, but I couldn't remember how the heck I did it. So I ended up with this fold on the front. I guess I'm gonna go with it. And then I used a fabric tack glue. This stuff, I've used it on jeans, patching holes and stuff, and even the lady recommended it. She said she needed a pliers to take it apart from the fabric when it stuck. So this is the fabric. Got it from Joann Fabrics. You can find it at Hobby Lobby, Michael's Craft, stuff like that, online, Amazon. Anyways, gluing it. I built this frame here because I don't have 100 hands to hold it. It takes about probably a minute or two to actually glue where you could pull it away. I was using bobby pins. That method is okay. But also I wanted to add, and I made this. It's 2x4s, it's heavy. It took me about 10 minutes. And then when I do it, this is gonna lay exactly, hold on, try to move this over, right in the area of where I need to be holding it down so it can glue. And I'll fold the next one, and by the time I can get to it, I can walk away. And if you think you need more weight on it, just get something heavy and put it on. It's not difficult. So just showing you guys how I'm doing this. And let me put one on and see what it's gonna look like real quick, because I haven't even checked it out. I am gonna sand all these and restain them, so those will look new. Take that into consideration. So there it is, guys. That's what it's gonna look like. Pretty awesome. It's gonna give it a new look. Everybody will think I got new outdoor furniture, especially when that's all redone. So let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you got a better method on what to do here.